This is INS Arnala, India's next generation submarine hunting warship. The Indian Navy's promotional footage showcases this first commission of 16 warships which are being built in India under a multi-billion rupee project aimed at securing India's interests at sea. The BBC was given rare access to this newly built warship berthed in the eastern port city of Visakhapatnam. So this is how the insides of a warship look like, feel like, even sound like. There's just so much machinery packed into a small space that there is no space, in fact, to walk. This is the alleyway, and while it's not one way, it's two way. People come and go all the time, and these are ladders to travel up and down. Now we're going to take you now to the engine room, which I'm told is down below that side. What makes the 77-meter-long Arnala, that's almost the height of a 26-story building, unique is its ability to operate in deep as well as shallow waters. This means it can search and destroy enemy submarines that are not just out at sea, but also those that have sneaked into areas closer to the coast. This is possible, in part, due to Arnala's engine. So what exactly is the engine's speciality?
High speed मिलती है. Secondly, maneuvering and high acceleration मिलता है, especially in coastal areas and restricted waters. Third thing is sir, noise generation कम होता है, जो कि एंटी सबमरीन शिप के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी होता है.
मतलब दुश्मन की अगर कोई सबमरीन आसपास है, तो इस इंजन के साथ जो जहाज जाएगा, वो उसको सबमरीन आसानी से पकड़ नहीं पाएगी.
Right sir, right sir.
This is what India's more than 11,000 kilometer long coastline looks like. These waters on three sides of India's landmass generate 95% of India's overall trade by volume. This is also a theatre of increased regional and global rivalries. While China is the world's largest naval power with the capacity to field dozens of submarines, it is also working closely with India's western neighbour, Pakistan, to enhance its submarine capabilities. Meanwhile, India, with an overall strength of nearly 130 warships and submarines, is not just building up its own submarine capabilities, but is also investing in specialist ships like the Arnala. And we've reached this part which is called the bridge. Now it's a nerve center of the ship. How the ship moves, what speed, what direction, it's all controlled from this room.